Ready to dive into one of the planet's most breathtaking destinations? Pack your bags and fasten your seatbelts. Adventure awaits as we uncover the magic of Cabo San Lucas together. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of Cabo San Lucas, Mexico, a place where the desert meets the sea, creating an unforgettable blend of natural beauty and thrilling experiences. So, let's dive in and start this incredible journey together. Prepare for unforgettable experiences and breathtaking sights as we explore every corner of this amazing destination. Cabo San Lucas is located at the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula, where the Pacific Ocean meets the Sea of Cortez. This stunning destination is part of Los Cabos, which also includes San Jose del Cabo. Known for its luxurious resorts, lively nightlife, and natural wonders, Cabo is a favorite getaway for travelers from around the world. This iconic landmark is also known as Land's End because it's the last piece of land before you hit the South Pole. And if you're into fishing, you're in for a treat. Cabo is one of the top spots in the world for sport fishing, especially marlin fishing. With its warm climate and sun-soaked beaches, Cabo San Lucas is the perfect vacation spot. It's a paradise for relaxation, exploration, and enjoying the beauty around you. While Cabo is renowned for its modern resorts, it also boasts a deep cultural heritage. From its traditional festivals to historical landmarks, there's a rich tapestry of history and culture waiting to be explored. And if you want to experience the essence of Old Mexico, take a stroll through the old town of San Jose del Cabo, where cobblestone streets and colonial architecture will transport you back in time. Now, let's dive into some of the must-see attractions. From historic landmarks to breathtaking vistas, there's so much to explore and enjoy. Did you know that Cabo San Lucas is home to El Arco, a natural rock formation that looks like a magnificent arch rising out of the ocean? Of course, you can't visit Cabo without seeing El Arco up close. A boat tour will take you right to this natural wonder. Then, there's Lovers Beach and Divorce Beach, two sides of the same coin, offering both serenity and drama. If you're looking for a secluded spot, Playa del Amor is accessible only by boat and feels like a true paradise. Madano Beach is the heart of Cabo's beach scene, bustling with vibrant bars and water sports galore. For nature lovers, Cabo Pulmo National Park is a must-visit. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to one of the oldest coral reefs in North America. Looking for something a bit different? Let's uncover unique spots and hidden gems that offer a fresh perspective on Cabo's charm. Flora Farms is an organic farm with a restaurant that serves up delicious farm-to-table dishes, perfect for a peaceful retreat. And every Thursday, the streets of San Jose del Cabo come alive with the Artwalk, where you can explore local art and culture. Music lovers, don't miss Cabo Wabo Cantina, founded by rock legend Sammy Hagar. It's a vibrant spot where you can enjoy great tunes, lively performances, and a fun atmosphere. For a quieter escape, Santa Maria Bay offers serene snorkeling, while the charming town of Todos, Santos, about an hour from Cabo, is known for its art galleries and the legendary Hotel California. But Cabo isn't just for adults. There's plenty for families to enjoy as well. From fun-filled activities to kid-friendly attractions, there's something for everyone to make lasting memories together. Kids will love swimming with dolphins at Dolphin Discovery or visiting the Wild Canyon Adventure Park, which offers everything from zip lining to bungee jumping. And if you're a wildlife enthusiast, a whale watching tour is a must. Witnessing these majestic creatures up close is an unforgettable experience that showcases the natural beauty of Cabo. From December to April, you can see humpback whales up close as they migrate through the warm waters of the Baja Peninsula. For all the adrenaline junkies out there, Cabo is an outdoor adventurer's dream. From exhilarating water sports to thrilling desert excursions, it offers endless opportunities to get your heart racing and your spirit soaring. Try parasailing over the turquoise waters, zip lining through canyons, or taking an ATV tour through the desert. If you're into hiking, the trails in the Sierra de la Laguna Mountains offer challenging climbs with breathtaking views. And for water sports enthusiasts, there's everything from kayaking to paddleboarding. And if you're into photography, you're in luck. Cabo is a photographer's paradise. For iconic shots, head to El Arco, Lover's Beach, and the panoramic views from the top of Mount Solmar. For something unique, catch the sunset at Sunset Mona Lisa, where you'll get a stunning view of the sun dipping below the horizon over the ocean. Imagine enjoying a candlelit dinner on the beach at Edith's, where fresh seafood and Mexican cuisine are served with a side of ocean breeze. Or how about taking a sunset cruise along the coast, where you can sip champagne as the sun sets behind El Arco? Speaking of cruises, Cabo is a popular stop for many sea voyages, offering stunning coastal views and a range of activities for cruise passengers. Whether you're exploring the vibrant town or soaking up the sun on the beaches, it's a must-visit destination on any cruise itinerary. Whether you're on a luxurious yacht or a casual catamaran, the views of the coastline are simply spectacular. Highlights include snorkeling at Chileno Bay and watching the sunset from the deck as you sail past Land's End. After all that adventure, it's time to unwind. Relax and recharge at one of Cabo's serene spas or enjoy a leisurely stroll along the beach as you soak in the stunning views. Cabo is home to some of the best spas and wellness retreats in the world. Indulge in luxurious treatments and rejuvenate in serene settings that promise the ultimate relaxation experience. Treat yourself to a day of pampering at the one and only Palmilla or the Esperanza Resort, where you can indulge in massages, facials, and more. For a more holistic experience, try a yoga class on the beach or a meditation session at a wellness center. Now, let's talk about food. Cabo offers diverse dining options, from fresh seafood to local cuisine. There's something to please every palate. Cabo's culinary scene is a fusion of flavors, with fresh seafood, traditional Mexican dishes, and international cuisine. Don't miss out on trying tacos de pescado, fish tacos, at Tacos Gardenias or indulging in a seafood feast at the office on the beach. For a unique dining experience, visit El Farallon, where you can dine cliffside with the sound of the waves crashing below. When the sun goes down, Cabo comes alive. The nightlife scene buzzes with energy, from lively bars and clubs to beachfront lounges. It's the perfect time to enjoy music, dance, and unforgettable evenings. The nightlife here is legendary, with an array of options for everyone to enjoy. Whether you're into lively bars, vibrant clubs, or relaxed beachfront lounges, there's a perfect spot to make your evening unforgettable. You can dance the night away at Mandala or Squid Row, where the energy is electric. Before we wrap up, here are some travel hacks to make your Cabo trip even better. First, pack light, but don't forget essentials like sunscreen and a hat. The sun can be intense. Respect the local culture by learning a few basic Spanish phrases and tipping generously. Service workers in Cabo rely on tips as a significant part of their income. Leave no trace and take only memories. Respect the environment and local culture while you enjoy your adventure, ensuring that future travelers can experience the same beauty and wonder. Cabo San Lucas is a place where adventure, relaxation, and culture blend seamlessly to create a unique travel experience. Whether you're soaking up the sun on a pristine beach, exploring hidden gems, or indulging in world-class cuisine, Cabo has something for everyone. It's not just a destination, it's a place where unforgettable memories are made. Every moment here is an opportunity to create lasting experiences and cherish the magic of Cabo. So there you have it. The best places to visit in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. From stunning sights and thrilling adventures to rich cultural experiences and vibrant nightlife, Cabo has something for everyone. Thanks for joining me on this journey through paradise. I hope you're inspired to explore all that Cabo San Lucas has to offer and create unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels!